Y'all, I would like to say thank you, first of all, tonight for the 6 subscribers. Yay! So maybe, if you don't mind, if you're watching my videos, learning how to build the San Franciscan 550, if you ever get your hands on it, you'll have my videos. Yay! Biggest thing is we're having fun with this build. Next biggest thing is I don't know if it's doing the step-by-step videos or what, but I will say it's been fun. I'm falling in love with this San Franciscan 550, which looks like this. And I'm almost convinced that I'll probably go with these colors as well. I'm going to make this ranch something. And then the shingles, I'm not sure of. I think I'll leave them just polyurethane them and leave them as is. And then the trim will be in fawn, it's called fawn, F-A-W-N, like the deer. But at any rate, that's how it's going to look. Similar. I did finish the wood floor. Finally finished the wood floor, guys. I was so excited. Yesterday, I watched a live stream of a lady that I follow. She's just phenomenal. Shout out to Ara Bentley. She's very inspiring, guys. If you get a chance, watch her videos. She'll just keep you entertained all the way. Wonderful person, bright, sunny disposition, phenomenal at building stuff, phenomenal at dollhouses, phenomenal with anything miniature. So, and without further ado, let me also say shout out to all, like I said, all of my subscribers, and thanks, guys. I mean, it really impressed me that I would actually get more than one. So keep subscribing, and I'll try to keep posting videos at least once a week. And I wanted to say, last night after the live stream and after football and after everything was said and done, I came in and I made 2 of the windows, because I already had one made. And I got one whole section of the tower done. I got the angles right. They all fit in right. I've got the smooth side right, window right, smooth side, window. They're all done the right way. So, if you look at your instructions, it'll tell you the top piece has 3 of those siding pieces. The three sets of 10 that we glued together. Or, excuse me, 10 sets of, this is 10 sets of 3. 2 of 10 sets of 3. 3 of 10 sets of 3. And 1 of 4 sets of 2. Okay, you have these 4 sets of 2, and they're going on the bottom. They'll be on the bottom. Let me show you the bottom. So peek through the window. This is the bottom. One window all the way down. This is the top. And then this is the very top. Angles down. And eventually, if I ever get this finished, this tower will fit like so. It'll be this way. Well, this way. I know it's hard to see, hard to fathom because it's backwards, but it'll fit in there, and we'll get there. This is a tower off of my old kit that was part of the bonfire. Unfortunately, I kept this because in the second kit I got, none of this existed. In the third kit I got, none of this existed. Let me say not none of it. Bad. These pieces were in the second set. These 2 pieces were missing. Oops, bad finger. These 2 pieces were missing in 2 of the sets. So I'm glad I kept the original. It's not as pretty as I'd like for it to be because I used wood glue. But we have a tower. And slowly but surely we're getting the tower pieces. So, making sure you understand, get your angles right, okay? Make sure you have the thin to the in, and the wide, this wide side. See, there's a wide side to this, and there's a thin, okay? So the thin is in, the wide is out, and that will help you to get this goober, I want to call it right, because I can't say bad words on YouTube. Anyhow, then again, on the inside, see where I marked those 2 pencil marks? That's how I know thin piece, thin piece, thin to the end, and those line up. So this will be the next part I work on. Okay, guys. Now, I'm going to build some windows, and I'll be back once I get the windows done. Again, thank you for liking and subscribing. Please continue.